Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade 10, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, starting off, you can obviously see that the phone that I have right here is locked, and I can unlock it either using the Google account, or if I were to go back and retry this, it will also give me an option with the pattern. So, assuming we're in either of those, what you want to do is just simply go back to the first page. From here, you will change the language to any kind of other language that uses a different keyboard. So if we scroll down, you'll see there isn't very many options, honestly. So any option from, I believe, Turkey or Turkish down. So Greek, I believe this is Russian or Ukraine, and two below that will work. So select whichever one you want, and from there, simply progress through the setup again. Now, it is advised that you are a bit aware on how to basically go through it without actually needing to read it. So if you're not sure, I'll actually go back just so you can follow me. And also additionally, I strongly suggest that you connect to Wi-Fi first before you actually change the language. It's just going to make it easier. And once you're connected, you'll be able to basically skip that page. But from here, once you change the language, what you want to do is tap right over here, then no thanks right over here. Let it load, and again, we don't want to copy anything, so tap right here. And there we have the pattern again. So we want to use Google account. Tap on text right here, and then tap on the field. It will bring up a keyboard, and you can see that there is a globe icon right next to the space. So you can hold it, and number one, let's change it back to QWERTY. So select the second option, and then hold it again, and tap on language settings, which is the text below. Now I'll add that sometimes the globe icon might not appear. I'm not sure what is actually causing it. I believe it's some kind of bug. But if that is the case for you and you don't see the globe icon on your keyboard once you change the language, simply go back again and change it to just different language, and that should then solve the problem. So once you tap on the globe icon and go to language settings, you will be on this page right here. So you want to tap on the button right here, the blue one, and then choose any kind of keyboard right here that does not have an arrow. As you can see, there's a couple with an arrow. So select ones without an arrow. So the first one will work. There we go. And then tap on add right over here. And once you have added it, you want to again go back to the first page, change the language back to your desired language. And from here, again, let's progress to the setup. So once you're back in the Google page right here, again tap on the field, hold the globe icon, and go to language settings, add a keyboard, and now you're looking for an option with an arrow. So majority of the time it is Albanian, and it's still the case as a first option, so you can see it right here, assuming you're using English. So once you tap on it, you want to then tap on the three dots and go to help and feedback. And in describe your issue field, type in Morse or just two first letters. It will bring up use Morse code as suggested. There we go, use Morse code. So tap on it, then tap on the video itself to load it up, and then tap on the three dots on the video and choose watch later, which in turn will open up a web browser. Let's go to always. There we go. Now it will tell us whatever info, so we need to accept terms and conditions, and then turn on sync, no thanks. And from here, tap on a field right up here, and then navigate to HardReset.info. Like so. And from here, let's navigate to the download category. And in the search bar right here, you're looking for Android 7.1.2. Now this will also work for the Android 10, so that's why I'm kind of saying one thing. So Android 7.1.2. sorry for that. Then search for it, and then click download, scroll down, and once more click on download. Okay, so let's confirm that. I'm sorry for the little bit of a break here. And sorry for the camera shake. I can't really do anything about that one, at least at the moment. Okay, so from here, let's confirm it. Then tap on the settings and allow from this source and go back. And it will allow us to install here. So let's tap on install. And then once it's done, click on open, continue, and OK, and simply go back. Now, I'll also mention that there is sometimes a problem where it will not finish the download. It will start downloading the file. When you tap on it, it will get to 100% and it will never finish. Now, if that is the case for you, what you want to do is simply hold the download link right here and then choose to open in incognito, and that will completely remove that problem. Now, that being said, once you have downloaded and installed the file, tap on the search bar right here again, and now you want to navigate to HardReset.info /bypass. Like so. If you need a moment to write it down, then pause the video. Otherwise, I'm just gonna proceed further. And once you're on the web, right here, you want to scroll down, and once you find the settings app, just simply open it up and scroll down from the settings to apps and notifications. Then select see all 42 apps, 3 dots, and then show system. And you want to scroll down to G. There we go. And what you're looking for is Google Play Services and Play Store. So there we go. There are both of them. So let's select each one of them. Once you tap on it, you want to choose the disable option, disable app, and then go back and go to Play Store, disable app. And once you have disabled the 2 apps, let's go back once more. And from the main settings page, you want to scroll down to accounts. There we go. Tap on it and choose add account and select Google. And in here, simply log in with a Google account. If you don't have one, you can always create one. Even though you do have a button right here, I would advise you to do it on your computer. I've never tried it through here. The way we're logging in right now, it's not the normal way really. It's just the installed application that allows us to even add the Google account right here. Otherwise, this option wouldn't be accessible. So I am uncertain how the create account would work here. That's why I suggest you to do it on your computer. But if you don't plan to use or create an account, you can simply use your own existing one if you want to. It really doesn't matter. So I'm going to use my existing. There we go. And now obviously I'm going to put in the password. It progresses. There we go. And there we go. So you can see I logged in now. So let's tap on I agree here. And there it is. So the account was added. Now what you want to do is go back and re-enable the 2 applications that we have disabled. So let's go up, apps and notifications, see all 42, 3 dots, show system, and then scroll down to G. There we go. So again, let's start with Play Store, enable, go back, Play Services, enable, and go back. Once you have enabled both of them, hold the power key and select Restart. Okay, so once we're back in the setup screen, simply progress through the setup. And as you can see right here, this is previously the page that would tell us that we need to verify our Google account or verify it either a pattern that was previously set, at least for me. And now it's just simply telling us account added, whoop-de-doo. It's the account that we have added right before the reboot. Now you'll also see this pop up several more times. throughout the setup process, completely disregarded. This app that we have installed allowed us to actually add a Google account, which in turn allows us to progress further. Now it's gonna keep on crashing now, but it, like I said, doesn't really matter. It has done its purpose. So let's simply go to the setup right here. Now, when you're going to the setup right now, you want to skip majority of the things. Don't really bother setting it up, because at this moment, it doesn't really matter what we set up. We still need to reset the device once more. So just go through it as quick as you can. Okay, so once you're done with the setup, go to settings, scroll down to, all the way down to system, tap on advanced, and from here choose reset options and select erase all data factory reset. And this will bring us an option that, or information that resetting will cause us to lose our Google account, which, is provided right over here. Now this is the account that we have added, but there's also an account that was previously on this device which isn't listed here. And by performing this reset from the settings, it will remove both of those accounts and in turn fully unlock the device. So erase all data, and let the process begin. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished, we should be back in the setup screen. So I'm gonna come back once we're back in the setup. And there we go, now the reset is finished, and now we can go through the setup process as however you like. So again, once more, I'm just gonna go through it fairly quickly, skipping majority of the things that I can, but I'll point out right away, skipping Wi-Fi is an option now, which normally if the device would still be locked, this option wouldn't be even visible. So at this moment, you can set it up as however you like, add all the protections, Google accounts, skip or connect to Wi-Fi depending on how you like it. And yeah, so let me quickly finish this up, and you can see that there won't be any need for me to verify anything. And there we go. As you can see, bypass is now fully completed with the device being fully unlocked. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.